Hi beautifuls, welcome to Kala Mandir. Haven't you done your shopping with Kala Mandir? Do it once, order one sari and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. And today our collection is crepe sarees with stone work at flat 30%, so don't miss this episode. Grab your favorite saree ladies. The sarees are very light in weight and very easy to carry, and Kala Mandir introduced easy online shopping. In the description you'll be providing with all these saree links. Just click on your favorite saree code, it will direct our website. From there you can shop very easily. And number 2, while I'm showcasing the sarees, just take a screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. Shipping is free all over the India. Let's begin our show. So here comes very beautiful color, blue color saree. So all over body we got a plain with these 2 shades, and coming to the border, self color border with this beautiful stone work, and pallu same like saree. Here we got the stone work. So here comes the beautiful blouse, self color blouse along with this stone work. Saree code is BG598. Actual price is 2350. After 30% of discount you can avail it 1650 only. Next saree. So here comes lovely and pleasant color, cream color saree. All over body we got a single shade for this pattern, and border with stone work, self color border. Pallu is also same like saree, and here we got the stone work. So this saree painted with a self color blouse along with this stones border. Saree code is BG597. Actual price is 2350. After 30% of discount you can avail it 1650 only. And my dear beautifuls, while purchasing, if you are facing any issues, drop a message on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Our customer support team will get back to you and assist you to resolve all your issues. Next saree. This crepe saree, all over body we got 2 shades, light green and dark green. Coming to the border, we got a self color border all over stones work. Pallu same like saree. Here we got a stones work. So this saree painted with a self color blouse along with this border, stones border. Saree code is BG600. Actual price is 2350. After 30% of discount it is 1650 only. Next saree. So here comes yellow crepe saree. All over body we got plain, very simple to carry. And here comes the border, self color border all over stones work. And coming to the pallu, it's same like saree with stones work in the edge. This saree painted with a self color blouse with this stones border. Saree code is BG599. Actual price is 2350. After 30% of discount you can avail at 1650 only. Next saree. So here comes very different and rare color, that is teal color. Body we got plain, and border we got a very small border with stones work, self color border. And pallu same like saree. Here you can see stones work. So we got a self blouse along with this stones border. Saree code is BG595. Actual price is 2350. After 30% of discount you can avail it 1650 only. For more collections you can also visit our stores which are located in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. Do visit our stores and feel the fabric. Next saree. So here comes crepe sarees with thread work. So we got a beautiful peach color. All over body we got embroidery floral with stones, and border also we got a heavy embroidery design with stones work. And pallu same like saree, we got florals. So this saree painted with a self color blouse with the stones border. Saree code is BG591. Actual price is 1500 and offer price is 1050 only. So beautiful saree. To purchase this saree, take screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. Next saree. Here comes crepe saree with thread work. Lovely light orange color saree. All over the body we got embroidery florals. Here comes the border, self color border all over embroidery florals. And here comes pallu. Pallu it's same like saree, we got embroidery florals. So here comes the blouse. This saree is painted with a self color blouse along with the stones border. Saree code is BG593. Actual price is 1500. After 30% of discount it is 1050 only. So to purchase this lovely saree, take screenshot now along with the saree code and share us on the number 9852985299. Shipping is free all over the India. Next saree. Light sea green crepe saree with thread work. All over body we got embroidery florals, and here comes the border, self color border with huge embroidery florals with stones work. And pallu same like saree with florals. So this lovely saree painted with a self color blouse with this border. Saree code is BG592. Actual price is 1500. After 30% of discount you can avail it 1050 only. Next saree. So lovely sea green color saree, crepe saree with embroidery work. All over the body we got embroidery floral buttas, and coming to the border we got embroidery border with stones work. And pallu same like saree, all over we got floral buttas. This saree painted with a self color blouse with the stones border. Saree code is BG590. Actual price is 1500. After 30% of discount it is 1350 only. So to purchase this lovely saree, take screenshot now and share it on the number 9852985299. For more collections you can also visit our website, that is www.kalamandir.com. Next saree. So very trendy grey color crepe saree with embroidery work. All over body we got embroidery, floral buttas with stones and border. Pallu same like saree all over, floral embroidery work. So here comes the blouse, self color blouse along with this stones border. Saree code is BG5H9. Actual price is 1500. After 30% of discount you can avail at 1050 only. Next saree, light sea green color saree. All over body we got embroidery floral buttas and border is also embroidery florals with stones. Pallu same like saree, all over we got floral butta. And here comes the blouse, self color blouse plain along with this stones border. Saree code is BG594. Actual price is 1500. After 30% of discount you can avail at 1050 only. For more collections you can also follow us on our digital platforms, Facebook Kalamandir, YouTube Kalamandir and Instagram Kalamandir Fashions. Please subscribe to our channel Kalamandir and also click on the bell icon. If you click on the bell icon you will be getting notified whenever we upload new videos. Next saree, lovely peach color saree, all over stones and embroidery work. Coming to the body we got this lovely stones and beads work, floral buttas. Coming to the border we got a self color border with embroidery work and stones work. And pallu same like saree, all over stones. Here you can see huge stones work in the edge, beautiful. So here comes self color blouse along with this stones work border. Saree code is BG596. Actual price is 2300. After 30% of discount you can avail at 1610 only. So this is our today's beautiful and lovely crepe sarees with stone work at flat 30%. Don't miss this lovely offer from Kalamandir ladies. Grab your favorite saree, take screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299 or else saree codes will be there in the description. You can also shop from there. For more collections and updates you can also follow us on our digital platforms, Instagram Kalamandir Fashions, Facebook Kalamandir and YouTube Kalamandir. Subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon so that you will be getting notified whenever we upload new videos. You can also visit our website www.kalamandir.com. So hope you all like today's our lovely collection crepe sarees with stones work. This is time to say goodbye. Radhika signing off. Bye bye.
Hello ladies, Dasra Dhamaka sale is back at Kalamandir. Buy for 3000 rupees and get 1500 cashback vouchers. Sale is from 3rd October to 10th October.